gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
So my dear kids, come on, stand up, sing along with me.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
So dear kids, we are talking about our water transport. Children, you can see here many water transports. So my dear kids, most boats don't have wheels. Can you see here wheels? No. So children, most boats don't have wheels like car, truck and other land vehicles. So these are slowest means of transport. So children, you can see these are very slowest means of transport. So my dear kids, let's learn more about our water transport. So my dear kids, as I told you, water transports are the transports that are used to travel travel by the water. तो आपको बता देती हूँ चिल्ड्रेन, ये हम जितने ट्रांसपोर्ट हैं वाटर के, ये जो है पानी में ही तैरते हैं. ये पानी के बाहर नहीं दिखाई देते. पानी के बिना ये नहीं चल सकते. So my dear kids, I'm going to tell you uses of them, uses of water transport. So can you tell me what is this? Yes, correct answer. So kids, this is a small boat. What is this? This is a boat. So my dear kids, mainly boats are used for fishing, carrying passenger. Passenger मतलब यात्रियों को इधर उधर ले जाना, और फिशिंग के काम भी आती है. This is a ship, children. Have you remembered? Yes, this is a ship. Did you go to the sea, children, to see it? Okay. So my dear kids, a ship can carry goods we can say things, and passengers to one place to another. Many boats, or we can say ships, have an engine. Engine, children. It has engine. A captain sails the ship. This is a ship. What is this, children? Come on, tell me. Good, correct answer. This is a yacht. What is this, children? This is a yacht. So my dear kids, a yacht also can carry passengers. Okay, children? It is used to carry passengers, children. Okay. This is a submarine, children. What is this? This is a submarine. So my dear kids, as I told you that this can go under the water and can't be seen, and it is also large, so many passengers can travel in it. This is a submarine. So dear kids, take out your World Around Me B book. Open the page number 41. So my dear kids, you can see here water transport. Water transport. The boat is so small. You can see, children, and these are chapu, we can say. These are chapus. So boat जो है चापू से चलती है. This is a ship. Ship is in large size. You can say, children, it is large in size. This is a ship. This is a submarine, children. What is this? This is a submarine. So you have to do this picture reading. You can see, children, more water transport in this preschool EVS activity BA book. So my dear kids, you can see on page 38 here ship, you can see small boat, yacht, and you can see here 3 of these water transport. So my dear kids, you have to read out every day. So dear kids, do picture reading every day. After that, take out your B and R test C book. Open the page number 13, children. Here you can see sailing boat. Follow the steps to make a sailing boat. You can see, children, here first step is here. Take a piece of cardboard sheet which is already provided in this sheet. Dip it in black poster color and give impression on the outline of the ship as shown. You can see, children, here this is water and this is second step. Dip cardboard piece in brown poster color and give impression on the boat as shown. You can see here the boat is colored with this impression. So kids, the water is also done. So what we have to do, we have to take out our black and red color and little bit white color. Kids, I put some red color here and little bit black, and after that little bit white color. Mix it well. So my brown color is ready. Red color, little bit black and little bit white color. So mix it well, children. After that, you have to take out these pieces of cardboard. You can see, children. Okay. Now, my dear kids, you have to dip this piece in the watercolor, this brown watercolor, like that, children, and you have to give impression like that. Can you see, children? Okay. You have to do it like that. Like this, children, you have to make slanting lines. Can you see, children? Yes. Dip and give impression. After that, children, you have to come down and make it like this. You have to make sleeping line. So my dear kids, you have to make an outline, children. So you can use this cardboard, dip in black poster color. Otherwise, you can use your brush. So I'm going to use my brush to make an outline. So children, I'm using like that. I'm using my brush to complete these outlines, children. You can see, children. Yes, so you can use your cardboard piece also, but I'm using my brush. You can use either this or that. So children, I have used my brush. You can use either this or your piece of cardboard. So your sailing boat is ready. So my dear kids, you have to complete this sailing boat by the instructions. Follow your instructions and complete it. So my dear kids, please revise the topic every day. Nowadays we are learning about water transport. So keep smiling, keep safe. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.